Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the Scan Tool Network. In this video we're doing a short demonstration of the iCarsoft VAWS version 2.0. We're in a VW Golf right now. It's a 2018 VW Golf, and if you are interested in this tool, I'm going to pop a link in the description below this video, but it is available at Diagnostic World, www.diagnostic-world.com. There are fakes, there are clones on the market, so if you are interested in picking up the genuine tool, then please do use the links in the description below this video. One thing to know about this tool though is that when you're toggling through the buttons, it gives you like a beeping sound, so I like to get rid of that. I'm not really a fan of the beeping, and it just makes the whole experience a lot nicer. Okay, so what I'm going to do is show you the check engine light and airbag light being diagnosed and reset, hopefully. So we need to go into the diagnostic section, select your manufacturer, which is VW. Obviously you probably saw there it covers VW, Audi, Seat and Skoda. Now you can either select your vehicle, which is, it will take you into quite a big list. Alternatively, go to system selection and you can diagnose and go straight to the system that you wish to diagnose. So that's what I like to do. Go into the engine system first of all, because we've got the check engine light. So if we go into that section, and it'll present us with an option to read the fault codes. So we'll read fault codes, and it's giving us two fault codes here. The first one doesn't seem to be in keeping with what an engine fault would look like, so I think we can discount that one. That may well be a fault within the vehicle, but not within the engine system. This one, however, P011300, does sound like an engine fault. Intake air temperature sensor 1, bank 1, circuit high. So we previously diagnosed it and we knew there was a fault with the mass airflow sensor, which has now been put into the vehicle. But obviously we've still got the check engine light, we've still got the codes here. So to get rid of those, we simply need to come out of this, and then we go to the clear fault memory section. So we go into there, and when I click F2 OK, just keep an eye on the check engine light, and the check engine light has gone. Okay, so it really is as simple as that. And it's the same procedure really for the airbag system. So if we go down to airbag, again we found a loose connection underneath the driver's seat. So if we go to read fault code, that's the fault code we got. We go back to clear fault memory, click F2, keep an eye on the airbag light has gone. And that is typical of exactly how this tool works. Let's try and come out of this. Right, so basically also as well, it's like it'll show you every system, so you can diagnose faults in every system. You see we've got number 6, we're at number 6 of 137, so there's potentially 137 systems that this tool can diagnose in this vehicle. Which is a good thing. Another screen I'd like to show you real quick is the service option. The oil reset, the electronic park and brake, new battery registration, electronic throttle control, steering angle sensor, DPF, that's DPF regeneration, and injector coding. One thing to know though is that these functions only work on certain vehicles, so if you want to double check that this function does work on your vehicle, then again use the link in the description. Best thing to do is send your VIN number, because if you say to them, oh well, by the way, I've got a 2018 Golf, can I do a DPF regeneration, they'll come back to you asking for the VIN number. So you need to include the VIN number in your original email and you'll get an answer a lot quicker. But that is the VAWS version 2.0 tool. It's a really good tool, highly recommended for any VW, Audi, Seat or Skoda owner. Okay, as I say, links in the description, because fakes and clones can damage a vehicle. You don't want to go down that route. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helps.